In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill down blank cells easily in Google Sheets. If you're tired of dragging your mouse through endless rows or copying and pasting over and over, this is going to save you a ton of time. We'll cover 4 quick methods: the double-click trick, a controlled drag, a keyboard shortcut, and a smart way to extend sequences like dates or numbers. Use whichever fits your situation best. First, the double-click trick. Type your value or formula in the top cell of the column you want to fill. Then hover over the tiny blue square at the bottom right corner of that cell. This is the fill handle. When your cursor turns into a small plus, double-click. Google Sheets will instantly fill down to match the length of the data in the adjacent column. This works best when the column right next to yours has values all the way down with no gaps. If there's a blank in that neighboring column, the fill will stop at that break. A quick tip: if it doesn't reach as far as you expect, make sure the column beside it has continuous entries, or use one of the next methods. Next, the drag method for precise control. Click the same blue fill handle and drag it down to the exact row where you want to stop. As you drag, Sheets shows a small tooltip with the row number so you can release at the right spot. This is perfect when you don't want to fill the entire column, just a specific range. Now the keyboard shortcut, which is great when you want zero mouse work. Select the cell with your data, then also select the blank cells below it in one continuous block. Press Ctrl+D on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command+D on Mac. D stands for down, and it instantly fills the selection from the top cell into all the cells below. This works for both values and formulas will adjust their references just like a regular copy. Finally, filling a sequence. If you're working with ordered data, like numbers, dates, or weekdays, enter the first 2 cells to show Google Sheets the pattern. For example, type 1 and 2 or 2 consecutive dates. Select both cells, then drag the fill handle down. Sheets recognizes the pattern and completes the series accurately for you. To wrap up, double-click for instant fills that follow a neighboring column, drag to control the exact endpoint, use the D shortcut to blast through selected blanks, and start with 2 entries to generate a clean sequence. Don't forget, if you make a mistake, undo is your best friend.